So what are you having, Liz?
Kway teow goreng udang.
And I'm having the fish and chips. Okay, so we are leaving Beaufort. We are going to Tweetbox. No, this is here. We are leaving Beaufort to Tweetbox at Pelagos Designer Suite, which is located at the city of Kinabalu. It will take us about 1 hour and 48 minutes, 93 km. So Liz, are we ready to go?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so we are halfway through. We are using the same roads from Kota Kinabalu to Beaufort, and now we are going back Beaufort to Kota Kinabalu. It's halfway through, plus minus maybe another 45 to 50 minutes. That is South China Sea.
Wow, look at that.
We have arrived the Bandar Raya Kota Kinabalu. Tahan.
Oh yeah, that's the airport. KKIA.
Okay, we are just minutes away from our apartment. That's the one. Where's the camera? This is the one. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have arrived at our apartment.
Hi. Welcome to our new home.
Okay, this is the overview of the apartment. We have both the washer and the dryer. Okay, I believe this is the living room, but there's 2 beds here. Okay, there's the toilet, and there's a bedroom here. So the living room has 2 beds and a bedroom here. Okay, so this is the shower and the toilet together. Okay,
View of the city.
street view. This is where we came in earlier.
Street view.
Okay, it's a street view, but you can see I don't know, is there mountains or hills up there? Okay, so let's settle down, and then we'll see what we're going to do next. Anyway, today is free and easy. We are now going out to meet Liz's friend. She's going to bring us to eat the local traditional food here. See what we're going to have for our dinner. We have arrived at this place. It's called the place Kinabalu, traditional Kadazan Dusun. Yeah. Okay, so I've picked my choice. some chicken, veggie, and chicken again. And what's that?
This is what is it called again? Ambuyat.
Ambuyat.
Yeah. It's supposed to use stick, but then I'm not pro at stick, so I use fork and spoon.
Oh, okay.
Supposed to like spin it.
So how it tastes like?
It's like glue.
Blue.
Tapioca glue for popiah.
Okay.
That's very nice.